Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All praises be to Allah, the Lord of the world, the King of kings, and the God of people. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah, I hope you are very happy today. I'm Raina from Jannatun Naim International College Boarding School. Ladies and gentlemen, if we are talking about dreams, in fact, we are talking about the goals in our life. What is the definition of dreams? Anybody knows?
I don't know.
Did you know? In Oxford Dictionary, dream is imagine and think about something that we would like to happen. Each of us must have a dream that we want to achieve in our life. I, you, and all people around the world have dreams. Each of us has different dreams. Therefore, we have different ways to achieve them. Dream give meaning to our life. It prepares a person to set goals and achieve them. These kinds of dreams are very important to achieve the success. Human is an intelligent species that we can manifest these ideas and create something amazing. In order to succeed, you need to assess things using your own unique perspective. Think about things that are sweet to you, personal, individual. Think about your dream as a kid. What do you want to be? When I was 6, I want to be a doctor. Think about what makes you think. Based on our dream, on something we love, something that we are interested in. So, hopes and dreams can be absolutely anything you want them to be. Ladies and gentlemen, opportunities are like diamonds. Take them when they are given to you because they help shape and inspire your dreams. Or they can develop the dream you have already. Ladies and gentlemen, all our dreams can come true if we have courage to pursue them. Now, this is very exhilarating about having a dream so big that scares you a little bit. It gives you drive, ambition, and it gives you motivation. Something amazing that you can work towards, and journey itself is so rewarding. The key in starting your journey is to visualize the success. It's easy to work towards if you can see yourself achieving it. For this, you need patience. If you are passionate to dream in the first place, it's essential to channel that power and that enthusiasm into making it small a reality. Ladies and gentlemen, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. We are the children of today, the leaders of tomorrow, and every one of us, every single one of us is powerful and strong enough to pursue our dream. Ladies and gentlemen, dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Take small steps if you have to. If your dream entails making small realistic goals each day, do it. If you cannot run, then walk. If you cannot walk, then crawl. But by all means, keep moving forward and never ever give up. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember, never be afraid to follow your dream. Face them, conquer them, own them, believe them, and let nothing hold you back. There is such wonder and fascination in our dream. And I wish each and every one of you with a love of my heart that you and your beautiful dreams come true. That's the end of my speech today. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.